add some butter. And we're going to be making some French toast, kind of our way. Got to grease the pan, and when we're cooking something like French toast or pancakes, I use butter because it tastes better with it. Cooking ribeyes, I like to use this. You're going to do about 4 eggs, roughly 4 eggs. I like about 5 or 6 eggs. About 1/4 cup of flour. A little over half a cup of milk, but you can kind of eyeball this. But it's about 2/3 maybe. And you add cinnamon to taste. So about what y'all like. That's about what we like. You can add sugar. I don't, because it's already going to be sweet with the syrup. I do add this, and I add about a dash of it, and this is coffee syrup. So we like this style of French toast. Gotta mix it real good. And you can use any bread that you like. We're using the bread that we have on hand. But I like the cinnamon bread you can buy. Check the skillet. And don't worry, you might mess your first one up. Let's check the skillet. And don't worry, you might mess your first one up. Your skillet might be a little too hot. But that's fine. You'll still get eat. I drop it in. Wait a couple seconds. Flip it. Wait a couple more seconds. Now this goes on the skillet. Don't play with it, don't mess with it, just let it cook. Smells good, don't it? Mm-hmm. Does that look good to you? Mm-hmm. Looks good to me too. It's gonna taste good too, ain't it? Mm-hmm. Yeah, I like these. Now, if you don't have all these ingredients, you can just mix some egg in a bowl and do the exact same thing with just egg. And we call it bread egg. But if I have the ingredients, we're about to restock here in a few days. We're running low on flour and some stuff. I'm going to use a little bit of what we got. And the heat's kind of like a medium-low side, kind of. Alright, you can go and set up some plates to put this in.
Here's a plate.
Here's the next flip. That looks a lot better, don't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it looks good. I mean, my milk water. I wonder how many we're going to get out of this. I don't remember. Once the other side looks about like this, it's done. Or you can cook it longer if you like yours longer. This is just how I like it. Alright, let's see. It's looking. Yep, looks good to me. Plate. Then make another one. Now, first is I want to rake all these bits out before I add a little bit more butter for the next. Here we go. Bread in. Wait a few seconds. I like to kind of dip it a little bit. Flip it. Now, if you can let this sit longer and it will get more of the custard inside, but it can be soggy and it can fall apart if you leave it in there too long, and it also changes the flavor. This is about how I like it. I gotta go skillet, don't I? See, that's a well-seasoned skillet right there. I'm telling you, I do good on this. We got videos on the channel on how to do this if anybody wants to see how we done it. Looky there. Boy, don't that look good. We're gonna make more with some coffee in it. I ain't done that in a long time. What do you think? Add a pot of coffee to this or an espresso?
Yeah.
Got the espresso cheesecake stuff. So I'll make it taste good. What do you think? I think I'll make it taste good.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just show how much it makes.
What about some sausage? Want to fry some sausage with this?
Sure, you want me to get it?
Yeah, you can get it. If it's doing this, you got it too hot. Just take it off the heat. Dial it down and just wait. It'll cool itself back down. But you can cook it a little hot like that. It'll be a little more chewy on the inside. The French toast will be, which some people like. I say a little more butter. It's getting there. Turn the heat off for now. Let it cool back down. She went and got me an oven mitt so I didn't burn my hand. That's hot.
Our batter's getting a little low.
I don't remember how many this makes. I think it makes 8 or 9.
This is the third one that you got in the skillet right now.
You want to put some more sausage in here? So I gotta make sure I leave me a little pocket. Put the bread in. About the max amount of time you want to leave this sitting, I'd say about 5 seconds each side, be about the max. I tested this.
If you leave it, it gets way too soggy.
It starts to fall apart. Which you can still fry it that way. You just have a much more flavorful custard on the inside. I tested it a couple weeks ago. Missing. And you can flip this as many times as you want till you get the color you're looking for. Just don't have your skillet too hot. So I'll probably cut the camera here and we'll cut back to putting some syrup on some. So I like mine not with that much syrup.
I like mine swimming.
I actually add a little bit too much. The way the syrup is going through there. See how it looks. There's your French toast sticks. One bite.
Yeah. That's good. Don't you agree?
Well, yeah, everything I cook tastes good.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll probably have more videos like this in the future.
If people want to see this kind of footage, let us know.
Yeah, if y'all want to see it, let us know. And we'll make a whole playlist of this stuff, right?
Yeah.
Bye.